All right, what's up, guys? It's NQ Chris here with another daily recap. Today is March 26th, first real day trading prop firms. Let's get straight into today. 8:30, 8:28. Here, let's do this one. So, coming into today, we're still in a bullish, the bullish 4 or 1 hour, 4 hour, either way. We have So we have this 4 hour low. I believe it was a 4 hour unfilled. Then we have um we have here coming into the day we have unfilled 15. We have unfilled 30. Two unfilled 30, one here, 1 hour high. Midnight open. We have session highs. And I believe we had session lows. Here, let me check. No, we don't have session lows. So, that being said, let's get to today. We immediately dump, but into nothing pretty much. Then we take out liquidity here. We take out liquidity. Um, so here I wanted longs. Or no, sorry. So here I see this fair value gap. But I was too late to it, and I didn't really like the RR, but it would have been whenever I first saw it, it was here, stop loss here. And then we had already tapped 15, so I didn't like that. We only had 1 hour unfilled. But after pretty much reviewing it, I should have gone for like this 15. Maybe gone like a little shorter of a RR here for a 1-to-1. But then again, that was the first 15 minutes, so I don't trade the first 15 minutes. But I think Blake Patty took that. So we tap. We leave an unfoot 5. We leave an unfoot 5, which is marked. But we do sweep this 15. Or sorry, no. Yeah, no. So we tap the 5 here. No, sorry. We didn't tap the 5. We tap 30 there. I'm kind of iffy because, we just tapped 30. We just tapped this 15. So I kind of want reversals, but we have, I guess not there, not yet. But so we have this unfoot 5. So we tap the 5. We inverse this 1 right here. That was too high. We inverse this 1, and we still have 1 hour. We have unfilled 30, and we have midnight. So I took it expecting it to hit at least a 30. And it was just straight chop, honestly. I was gonna go break even here, but once I got to here, I realized we're just gonna get chopped. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get break even. I'm gonna go break even there. Once it breaks structure, it looked like it still respected this 15, so I was still kind of liking it, or else I would have gotten off the trade. Still respects 15. Still respecting 15. And then we have this big Drake candle, or in the process of a Drake candle. And I was going to exit here, but we were leaving with so much momentum. I kind of liked it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just stop. I'm going to just wait for it to hit the break even, and I'll go break even. And unfortunately, stop loss. I think I risked $600 on that one. Unfortunate, but you know that happens. And so now we're tapping 30, we're tapping 15, but we're not really getting anything out of it. We swept this 1 hour, but now I don't know. And I still kind of want the 30 and all these liquidity up above, but so now we have a 5 unfilled, and then I believe once we skip a little, we have the 15. So we have the 15 now. Unfilled 15. So sweeps liquidity again. We have this 2 minute, or no, sorry, this 1 minute, but I just moved the fair value gap to here to the bottom wick and took the inverse, targeting unfilled 5. Was gonna go break even at this high, internal high, and we hit break even, and it really did look like it wanted that 5 and 15, but we hit break even on that second trade. Then I still wanted that 5. So here I just decided to go with to retry, and I entered the third trade with the same pretty much logic. Entered, got filled here, was still targeting that 5 and 15, and unfortunately straight to stop loss. And I believe yeah, no, I don't know. It was just pretty much straight chop after that. From what I know, I haven't traded. Yeah, straight chop. So to trade the first loss, damn, why'd I do that? I believe I took this one. Well, pretty much, the first stop loss. I mean, the first trade. I have notes here. The first trade. I didn't realize that it tapped into a unfilled 15. I believe it was this one. No, it was this one. This 15. I didn't realize this, and I marked it. And if I would have waited for that, if I would have realized that, maybe I would have had a better trade within one of these. One of these trades, maybe like, I don't know, maybe there's one right here. But and targeting these lows, but again, I didn't see it. It's my mistake. Second trade, I would consider this like a B plus, because I think we had I want to say we had a liquid SMT 840 to 955, 840 to 955. Yeah, so we had an SMT. So I was pretty sure on that. So going into that second trade, we had an SMT, we had sweeping, external lows, inverse fair value gap, we have unfilled 515, but the market was pretty dead after that one. I should have probably hopped off after all this. And this third trade, to be honest, I wanted that 5 and 15 so badly, but this one was, I would consider it, I guess, somewhat stupid, because like it didn't really sweep anything. But unfortunately, that's the way it played out. We're down to 1.4 on the here. Let me see. We're down to, I think we lost 1.4 today. Is it gonna make me sign in? Yeah. So here, I'll show you on here. We are down to. I won't show y'all. Well, it's not letting me show y'all, but we're at 48.5. We're at 48.5, so we lost 1.4 today. Um, it's cool. I mean, I don't like. I mean, I do care. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do care, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. I feel like I stuck to my rules up until that third trade, so it just my trades didn't end up working out today. Hopefully they end up working out. Hopefully they end up working out sooner or later. But I don't know, chat. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it one way or another. Yeah, this 5. This 5 would have been nice. Okay, so I'll catch y'all in the next recap. Peace.